Hello viewers, today we will solve rotate list, which is LeetCode 61. So in this question there is given a linked list and a node from where we have to rotate. Okay, so if there is given a 2, then you just have to rotate the last kth node. Okay, means this will become the head and you just have to connect the 5 with the earlier head of the linked list. Okay, so this is a medium question. So how can we do this? First you have to check whether the head equals to null, or head ka next is equals to null. So you just if head is null or head ka next is null, then you just have to return the head. Okay, means there is a no rotation. So let's create an else, means if there is more than one size of a linked list, then you have to create list node temp, which is traverse to the linked list. Okay, and you have to create list node tail, okay, which is at null, because after traversing I will just move this node to the tail. Okay, so first you have to count the length of an length of a linked list. Just do this while temp is not equals to null. And move forward. You have to add the condition if temp ka next is equals to null, then you just have to move, means if there is a temp, let's suppose at 5 there is a temp, if temp ka next is equals to null, then you just have to move this temp, then you just have to rename the temp equal a tail. Okay, so you just write temp, make it as a tail, and then you have to just if it is not, then you just have to move it. Okay, temp ka next and increment the length. After this you just have to check whether if k equals to 0, then you just have to return the head. Okay, means there is a no rotation. And if k is greater than, means k is greater than or less than, you just have to do the modulus with length, and again put the temp in head at the head. Okay, and this idx is the traversal for the for loop. Okay, so just make it for int I equals to 0, I less than idx minus 1, then I plus plus, and temp equals to temp ka next. Okay, when the temp is reached to this position, you just have to make it. Okay, you just have to make tail ka next equals to head. Okay, you just have, there is a tail, you just have to link the tail ka next to the head of the linked list, means the one, and after that you just have to make head equals to temp ka next, means the temp was there, then you just have to make the 4 as in head, and after that you just have to temp ka next equals to null, means the 3 is temp and you just have to add the null at the end of the temp, so it become the tail, and after that you just have to return the head. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, this code is working properly. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is submitted. Thank you for watching.